HIIT home workout for beginners. According to a study published by the World Journal of Cardiology, high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is the most effective way to exercise. Doing HIIT for a few minutes can give you the same health benefits, weight loss, heart health, metabolism, etc., equal to an hour of regular cardiovascular exercise. But because of the intensity that HIIT requires, it isn't wise to jump into the most challenging workouts immediately. If you aren't used to this exercise method, it's essential to take it slowly. Don't worry though, because you'll still get the same health benefits, and you can progress as your muscles and heart become more robust. High-intensity interval training has a lot of health benefits as indicated, mainly if you want to lose weight and improve your heart health. There are 5 effective HIIT workouts in this video. Watch them and know how each exercise is performed, because you will benefit most from doing them all in sequence. Following is an excellent HIIT exercise regimen to start with. Do each of the following exercises in chronological order. If you need to rest between each exercise, try limiting your break to 10 seconds. Jump squats. Stand up with your feet firmly planted on the ground and around hip-width apart. Squat down by bending your knees and lowering your buttocks towards the ground. To ensure proper form, ensure your butt sticks out behind you and your knees don't bend past your toes. When you reach your lowest position, hold for 2 seconds before quickly straightening up and bursting into a jump. Then, when your feet hit the floor again, lower yourself back into your squat position. Squat down and jump for a total of 10 times per set. Curtsy lunges. Stand up straight with your feet apart and your toes pointing forward. Place your hands at your waist to help you with your balance. Cross your left foot behind your right foot and lower yourself into a curtsy. Hold your lowest position for 2 seconds before returning to your original position. Do the same movement, but with your right foot behind your left. Keep alternating between left and right curtsy lunges until you've completed 10 reps on each side. Step-ups. Stand up with a sturdy chair or bench right in front of you. The height of the step should be manageable but challenging. Step up on the bench with your right leg and let your left foot follow. Lower your left foot to the floor and bring your right foot back down to your original position. Repeat on the same side 10 times before doing the same on the other side. Mountain climbers. On an exercise mat, lie face down with your arms and palms pressed down. Then prop yourself up on your toes to get a high plank position. Bend your right knee and bring it towards your chest. As you do, keep your core as steady as you can. Straighten your right leg back out. Do the same with the left knee. Keep tucking alternate knees and increase your speed as you get more comfortable. Repeat until you've completed 10 mountain climbers. Bicycle crunches. On a mat, lie on your back with your legs stretched out and your hands tucked under your head. Bend your right knee and bring it towards your chest. Simultaneously lift your upper body and twist at the waist so that your left elbow touches your right knee. Hold the crunch position for a second before switching to the other side, where your right elbow touches your left knee. Repeat until you've completed 10 bicycle crunches. Once you've completed a set of these 5 exercises, take a 30-second break before doing the entire sequence again. When you start, push yourself to complete 3 sets. Over time, you can add more sets to keep yourself challenged and maximize the health benefits of your workout. Although this home workout is designed for beginners, it is by no means easy to do. Expect to be out of breath and challenged. But if it ever gets too much, hang back and rest. Pushing yourself but working within your limits is the most sustainable way to make HIIT work for you. Over time, your strength and endurance will be strengthened, and you can move on to more challenging HIIT workouts. Following is the study reference we used to create this video. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.